Ms. Nadine Cilindro, Assistant School Division Superintendent. Mrs. Florencia Emarasigan, our District Supervisor. Mrs. Teresa M. Secondes, our Principal. Barangay Captain Roel Pinol. Distinguished guests, beloved parents, our dear members of the faculty, schoolmates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon. Graduation is here once again. Graduation, which signifies the end of the previous chapters of one's life, and the beginning of a new one, is memorable for each and every one of us. Today is also the big chance for us to say thank you to our parents for providing our daily needs, to our dedicated teachers for the untiring support and great commitment to impact knowledge to us, and to all school authorities who have cleared and prepared the right path for all of us. This year's DepEd's graduation theme, Education, Changing Lives, Edukasyon ang Solusyon, is very timely. But it should be proper education, otherwise it will only aggravate the problem. With the present economic crisis that our country is experiencing, and the moral disorientation resulting from the desire to be practical that everybody is talking about, the immediate need of proper education is of utmost priority. We have ridiculed the time-honored values of our forefathers and called it enlightenment. Let me pose this challenge to our parents who always want the best for their children, to our school and government officials who have a mission and responsibility to lead us toward man's destination, the kingdom of God. And also to you all, ladies and gentlemen, who believe that the youth is the hope of our motherland. Provide us with the correct opportunities where we can touch the positive values we will develop in our journey called life. And we, the graduates of